Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 268 without any hard process. So let's get into it. First of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and try the first method with me, which is go in and click on your keyboard, Windows key and R. Then write this down, write /appdata and just like so. This page or this folder should be open for you. Simply search for Roblox in case you didn't have it. That means that Roblox is not fully installed on your PC. So in that case, you will need to install Roblox in your PC first. So in that case, I will need to open my browser like so. Here we go. And now I'm going to install Roblox. So to install Roblox, you have to go here, click on download Roblox and download Windows app. So by clicking on it, you will be finding Roblox installer player. And once you have done that, you are simply going to go through this process that will allow you to install the game itself on your PC. Now, after you do so, this is not finished yet. So you need to sign in into your account. So to sign into your account, you simply have to put down your password and your email/username. So for me, myself, I will do that just like this. And as you can see now, Roblox is working seamlessly and my account has been opened. Now I can launch the game. Now, what if the game is already installed and you still have the problem? Then in this case, you should simply open your folder. So let's go ahead and open my disk C. And from here, I'm going to go to users. And from here, go ahead and open your user, which is for me this one. And then you have to click on view and check this box which says hidden items. In hidden items, you should go to app data and from here go to local. From local, you have to go all the way down and search for Roblox or simply click on any folder and write down R. So by tapping on R, you will be taken here, and as you can see, you will be taken to this folder. Click on versions, click on this one, and here click on Roblox player installer. Let me close first Roblox and let's run this up right now. So once this is running, it will simply check for any misleading problems, or basically it will install the game right from the beginning. Also guys, if there was any mistake with the folder or troubleshooting, you need to do it as well, which could be by clicking on troubleshoot compatibility, and right after that you simply have to wait for this process to be ending. Then click on try recommended settings and test the program, and this will test the program itself of Roblox. It will test all the files, it will test everything, every update and every missing folder that might be occurred. And once it is done, it will show you that these settings are basically good in case the game has opened for you. In case the game wasn't open, it will give you the error exactly and it will fix it for you automatically. And yeah guys, this is how you can fix the error code from Roblox. I hope you enjoyed it and see you guys in the next video.